This is a quick tutorial on how to use CRSF protocol with the 32-bit line of Unify and the crossfire receiver. First, you're going to plug in your Unify to Agent X and make sure that it's using CRSF protocol, not smart audio. Next, you're going to enter into your crossfire and you're going to power the receiver. You're going to select the receiver on your crossfire Lua or your full size on the OLED. This is the same menus for both. Next, you're going to go to your output map. In the output map, you're going to select channel 4 and set it for CRSF VTX. If you're on the diversity module, you'll want to set 3 for TX. This will make the opposite CRSF RX. Next, you're going to wire it. So CRSF RX goes to your TX, which is port 4, set here. On the nano receiver, it'll be port 3 on the diversity. And TX is going to go to the RX on the receiver. You'll see it there on channel 3, or output 3. After that's selected, and you have crossfire enabled here, you'll be able to enter the Unify Pro HV32 menu. From here, you have your general menu, and you'll also have the VTX menu. In the VTX menu, you'll be able to set your channel, power, band, temp limit, pit mode, etc. You can also change your output if you want to enable CRSF or smart audio. And in the general tab, that's there too, as well as the mic on. You can also enter it through the My VTX menu for the transmitter. Here you'll have all of your normal VTX control options. So once again, in quick summation, you're going to set your output for crossfire. You're going to wire this so RX goes to TX and TX goes to RX. And you're going to enable CRSF on the actual VTX through the Agent X program.